Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a career that's both rewarding and essential in our modern world: becoming an electrician. Whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or industrial work, being an electrician offers a dynamic and hands-on career path. Let's dive into the steps you need to take to become a certified electrician. First, it's important to understand what an electrician does. Electricians install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in homes, businesses, and factories. This can include wiring, circuit boards, and other electrical equipment. It's a job that requires both technical knowledge and problem-solving skills. The journey begins with your high school diploma, matric certificate or equivalent, such as a GED. Focus on courses like math, physics, and shop classes, as these will give you a solid foundation for your future training. Basic algebra is especially important, as you'll need it to calculate measurements and determine the proper wire and conduit sizes. Next, you'll want to research technical schools or community colleges that offer electrician programs. These programs usually last about 1 to 2 years and cover the fundamentals of electricity, wiring, circuitry, and safety practices. Alternatively, you can apply for an apprenticeship program. Apprenticeships are often sponsored by unions or trade associations and combine on-the-job training with classroom instruction. As an apprentice, you'll work under the supervision of a licensed electrician while you learn the trade hands-on. Apprenticeships typically last 4 to 5 years, but the experience you gain is invaluable. Whether you choose technical school or an apprenticeship, gaining hands-on experience is crucial. During your training, you'll work on real electrical projects, learn to use various tools, and understand how to read blueprints. This practical experience is what will truly prepare you for the challenges of the job. After completing your education and training, you'll need to become licensed to work as an electrician. Licensing requirements vary by state, but they generally involve passing a comprehensive exam that tests your knowledge of electrical theory, the National Electrical Code, and local building codes. Some electricians also choose to obtain certifications in specialized areas, such as solar power installation or industrial electrical work. These certifications can open up additional career opportunities and increase your earning potential. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and codes being introduced regularly. To stay competitive, you'll need to continue your education throughout your career. Many electricians take continuing education courses to stay up to date with the latest advancements and regulations. Once you've gained some experience, you might want to specialize in a particular area, such as residential wiring, commercial electrical work, or industrial maintenance. Becoming an electrician is a journey that requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to learning. But the rewards, both personal and financial, are well worth the effort. If you're looking for a career that offers stability, growth, and the satisfaction of solving problems with your hands, then the path of an electrician might be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey to becoming an electrician. Specialization can make you an expert in a specific field and increase your job opportunities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on exploring different careers. See you in the next video.